Allyssa with What Education Classes, talking a little more about writing. Again, we welcome writers of all ages and levels. This is just something to get our inspiration going during these times when we might have a little extra time and want to do some writing. So I'm just going to talk a teensy bit about a topic, and then I'll give you a prompt that you can use to kind of get started in your own projects. So today we're going to talk about conflict. So we might not like conflict in our own lives all the time, but conflict is great for our stories. Because if you had a story where someone was just very happy, hey, I'm very happy. You know what? I'm very happy too. There's not a lot to go forward in that story. Everyone's just kind of good. That's fine to have a set status quo, a starting point where everyone's happy and then something changes that you have to overcome. But you kind of need an obstacle in your character's way to have the story progress forward. So basically, conflict is something that stops the character from getting what they want immediately. And there's lots of different types of conflict. It could be an internal conflict. So if you're scared of doing something and you have to overcome that fear, or if you need to learn a skill, something that you're fighting with yourself in order to overcome. Or it could be an external conflict, which is something that we see a lot of times. So you have to stop the supervillain from taking over the town. Or on a smaller scale, you need to beat someone in a competition. It's an external force. This external force could be a person, like that supervillain or your competition, or it could be something in nature. When it comes to conflict, there can also be multiple types of conflict within your full story. Maybe you're trying to figure out your feelings towards your ex while searching for tornadoes, combinations of things. Or there can also be smaller conflicts while still trying to reach your overall conflict. So that's kind of conflict in general. We're going to start on a small scale and just try and write like a 1 or 2 page scene that has a conflict in it. Now, the thing that you have to remember when you get into this is it shouldn't just be an argument. If you have 2 people arguing, it could be interesting for a while, but you're not going to watch a 3-hour movie with just arguing. There's something that the character kind of needs and then has to overcome. They have to overcome this conflict to have a satisfying ending of they reach their goal, or they didn't reach their goal, and that's the point that you're trying to point out, is you don't always reach your goal. So for our writing prompt today, you're going to have 2 characters in the scene. If you did the character exercise, you can use the same character, or you could use anything that you just came up with now. And really you can let the character's wants drive this scene. So for just this little exercise, they don't have to be completely dimensional. You can let the wants drive it and then add more to it later. But you're going to have 2 characters in the scene, and one character wants something that the other character has. I'm leaving this a little bit open-ended so you can just let your imagination go wild. So this could be something physical, someone has money and you're like, I'd really like you to give it to me. Or it could be something emotional. I want you to love me. How do I get them to love me? So you can choose what the thing is that the one character has that the other one wants, and you can just play with it for a little bit of how they go about trying to get it and how they can try and overcome this conflict. Again, no really any wrong answers. This is just a prompt to get you writing, and then you can go forward writing about as much conflict as you want. But hopefully you're not feeling conflicted about writing right now, and you'll enjoy this exercise.